Alright guys, so in this video what I'm going to try and do is trying to erase one of my disks using the disk utilities. More often than not though, if there's a particular issue, you'll see that the operation's failed. So in order to try and resolve this, you first have to see if there are any processes running associated to your USB disk. The best way of doing this is to do an SLOF space grep space vol or volu, just short for volume. Basically this will do is highlight any of the processes running against any of the external volumes or external hard drives. You can see here that I actually have one of my older resumes running that I'm not aware of, which in turn I can't see that within the operating system. So I first have to double check, make sure that the untitled in my case is the actual untitled name associated to the process. So what I can do is go to the command prompt again and type in SLOF space grep space volume and then try and kill the process associated to it. So kill -9, and then in my case it's 3689, which is the actual process. Now if I try and run that again, you can obviously see that the process is no longer running. Two ways you can do this. You can go back to the disk utility and try and run it, or we can try and run it in the terminal command again. Terminal's probably the preference, just to provide a bit more information if there are any hiccups in this scenario. But if you do disk utils space erase disk FAT32 and then just put in any name, for me I'll just put in no name, and then MBR format. It's case sensitive. But before I do that, I just want to make sure I'm erasing the correct hard drive. In this case, I have. If I just do, if you can see here, I have one of my external drives, and then the one that I'm trying to remove. So the disk 1. So if I do dev, and then disk 1. As illustrated in the separate terminal. And then press enter. So it will start to do the same thing within the UI, but actually within the terminal. What this will do will actually erase it, give it an actual name, in this case no name, and then you finish erasing that disk. Now what you can do is then go back to the disk and you'll notice that it's fully erased. If I try and do the erase process again, knowing full well it's completely fresh and no other processes are running, if I do an erase now, evidently it will work. And the error has moved away. So it'll be interesting to know if this actually resolves for you. Again, the unsuccessful notification before provides little understanding of what actually is the root cause, but more often than not there's a process running in the background of which you essentially need to kill. So hope this helps, and thanks for watching.